Welcome to
hello.
Canada. Home of the scoop. You recording? You're not recording?
I'm recording.
Okay.
Totally
Just
recording.
saying.
Oh, that's on. All right, so we're at the Aloft.
Hang on, cover your ears. It's a squeaky door.
So, we've got a sink. Oh, we got a little fridge under the sink.
Is this the Standard King?
Yeah,
Okay, Standard King room.
I believe so.
Okay.
And then this is, I think, our closet. So we can hang up some stuff if we wanted to. If we want to. I think we got some place to stash our suitcases or whatever. What have yous. The stash places. Oops. And there's the shower. And toilet area. And then you come around to the bedroom area. There's a cabin. If you look outside, you look really hard.
Look past the mall.
Yeah, over the mall. Look at, that's where we're gonna go. Maybe tonight. I don't know. What time is it?
Not tonight.
Well, you spent a couple hours there. There we go. Now this is focus. Focus. Ooh. All right, what else we got? We got a couple of desks here.
Johnny Two Desks was here.
All right, big TV in the middle.
A pillow that says pal.
Oh yeah, you got a pillow that says POW. And then king size bed with some art. Does it have an ironing board?
I don't know. I thought you saw one somewhere.
Well, what's this say?
I tried to tell you. You already found the ironing board.
The laundry board. We've got little side tables. And there's charging things on the bottom. Down here. So we each have little charging things. And there's the ironing board. And iron down below. So there you go.